Hello guys, and this is actually take 2 of this video. As you can see, I was, about to solve this, but that didn't go too well. The camera actually fell, so I'm just gonna finish up this solve. Gonna finish up this solve. So I'm just going to be doing some solves. So this is a Rubik's branded cube. You guys know about the corner cuttings. If you don't, check my previous video. Okay, so I'm just gonna get this cube scrambled up. Why not? Okay, this is my scramble, and I'm a white crossover, and I also use the beginner's method, so that's yay, hooray. I want to learn advanced methods, but I'm not necessarily the best, so I'm just gonna get this solve started. Get this cross. Okay. I don't think that'll work.
Yeah, oh, what do you mean record a phone call? I don't think so.
Oh, I just got a PLO skip. Well, not necessarily PLO, as again, I don't use the advanced method. I just got a skip on the last step. For you, my beginner's method solvers. And actually, I'm just going to do that. That's going to be the end of the video. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace.